Hi everybody, it's Catherine from In the Pink Designs. Thank you for visiting my channel today. Today I have a fun fold card that's for Easter, and it opens up just like that. So it's a little bit different than your normal card, makes it a little bit fun. I used, on the sample, I used the Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper. On the one we're going to do now, I'm using Hydrangea Hill. Yeah, Hydrangea Hill Designer Series paper. I'm using the layering oval dies, which are retiring, much to my dismay. And I'm using Springtime Joy stamp set, that's also retiring. And I'm sad about that too. I'm sad about almost all the retiring things. But there'll be new fun things to use. Okay, so what you need is, it's really not hard at all. We need a piece of Purple Posy that is half a sheet of cardstock, which is the same as the normal cards. It's 8.5 by 5.5, so you get 2 out of a piece of cardstock. We need a piece of Whisper White for the inside that is 3 3/4 by 5 1/4. I used the layering oval dies. This oval is the second to largest oval, and Mossy Meadow, this is the largest scallop. Alrighty, and then we need 2 pieces of the DSP. One that is 5 1/4 by 2 1/4, and one that is 5 1/4 by 1 3/4. And all the ink and all that. But let's start with the card part. Now you need your Simply Scored, sorry, and we're gonna only do the landscape side. So on the 8.5 inch side, we're going to score at 2.5 and 6.5. And that leaves us with a 4-inch back, okay? And I'm just going to score and burnish these. Now, I was going to do something with the Butterfly Bijou paper today, but it's out of stock and they're not getting it back. But I did get a pack, and I'm not opening it because I feel like I really feel bad. People really want this, and I don't want to do projects if you can't get it. So I'm going to give away this pack. I believe it's 48 sheets, 6 by 6, and it's got it's got no retiring colors in it. It's got some of the 2020 to 2022 colors in it though. And all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment that you subscribe. So, because I'm going to use the comments, I'm going to take how many comments, and I'm going to do the number generator, and I'll just pick the number comment that wins. Okay? All right, so now back to this. Okie dokie. So we have our card. And I'm going to have the longer go underneath so that the line is right in the middle of the card. All right. So we're going to get our 2 pieces of DSP. And I need some liquid glue is easier for this. I need a new one. This way. And the larger one, of course, goes onto the larger flap. this one on the smaller, right side up. Okie dokie. See? And then it'll close just like that. Alright, and we're going to do some stamping now. Alright, first we're going to stamp our oval. And we need the bunny and the butterfly and the greeting. I'm sorry if you hear construction. My husband's rebuilding the deck right now, which I'm thankful for. Thanks, Will. Okay. All right, so we're going to do the greeting first because that goes towards the top. Okay, and then the bunny, I'm going to shoot for the middle, towards the bottom in the middle. Good. And then I'm going to put the butterfly. It's flying up over here. Good. Okay. And on the inside, now on this one I put the flower over here, but I think I'm going to put it on this side on this one so that it's kind of going the way the rest of the card, toward the rest of the open card. Alrighty, now we need some markers, and I'm going to do the butterfly in light so saffron. I'll use this for his little body. Okay. And the flowers, I'm going to use light balmy blue and light Highland heather. Flowers are, the petals, sorry, are light Mossy Meadow. The leaves, did I say petals? The leaves. Alrighty. And then, as I usually do with the bunny, I'm just going to put a little bit of light Smoky Slate just to make a little shadow on the edges. Okay, and then on the inside, I think I'm going to make the flower light balmy blue because there's a lot of purple. Okay, and that's it for the coloring. And now I'm going to use, now you could pop this up, but for mailing purposes, I just glued everything flat. All right, so I'm going to use my glue to get the oval together. And I love using the glue for this instead of the seal because I can move it. So I very rarely get things on straight the first time. And then we're going to, what I do is I put it on and I figure out what letter I can't go past, and I don't want to go past the T. So it's on this side. So it's right about right here. I'll put my finger, and then I'm just going to glue on this side of it. just going to put it right in the middle. Okay. And then I'm going to just add some Wink of Stella to the flowers. And the butterfly. And then I think I just need a little, well, no, I'm just going to leave it be. Just like that. You could put a little rhinestones and jazz it up and all, but for the mailing, I just don't want to do that. And I'm going to be mailing a bunch of these. Okay, and then the inside, I'm just going to put my inner piece, which is for you to write on your little greeting or long greeting, whatever you can fit. And this has about 1/8 of an inch, which I put it on. I should have it's all right. My family will understand. I should have glued this too because I didn't put it down straight the first time. Okay, so when they open it up, you can put your little greeting. You could also stamp this greeting in there and just say to from, and put a little chickie down there. There's lots of things you can do. I will miss this stamp set, obviously, because I've used it a lot. And I will miss the layering oval dies and the layering square dies. Alrighty. Now, don't forget that I'm giving away this package of Butterfly Bijou Designer Series paper that is not available anymore. Just subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment that you're subscribed. If you're already subscribed, just leave a comment that you are. And I will pick one of you. And I will mail this to you out. Probably, I'll give, this is going up on Monday. I'll give till Friday, and Saturday I'll pick the winner on this. Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to buy any of these, especially the things that are not going to be available anymore, you can shop with the address at the top of the screen, katherinetiemann.stampinup.net, and please subscribe and hit the like button. I will see you soon. Bye.